On this how-to video, we're going to explore how to use a Novaboard. Novaboard is a visual resource that is used often throughout various processes. A lot of brainstorming and discussion tools use it, so getting familiar with it is important. Boards can be found inside a step. Every step will provide you with some information that will guide you through the process. Once you read the instructions, you can open the board and start using it. The board is divided by two sidebars and the overview. Starting with the board overview, you can easily see where things are placed on the board and how you should move around. You can also zoom in and out or use the grid to easily align and organize things on the board. On the top sidebar, you have basic features you can use to work on the board. You have the cursor and the pen to navigate the board. You have a note or sticky note that once clicked you're able to select the color and add it to the board. Once added to the board, clicking on the sticky note allows you to add text. You can add other information to the board in the form of the drawing feature, shapes button, text, media upload, and timer clock that can be placed directly on the board to keep meetings on time. On the button sidebar, you have resources like Nova templates that you can add to the board and lock to become part of the background, stickers that will help you visually share information on the board, and card decks, either custom made or pre-made Nova decks. Card decks are able to be added directly to the board, or you can go through them with your team to facilitate discussions. Other features on the board include presentation mode, which removes edge information to facilitate use or presentation, the calendar function to automatically add a meeting to your Google Calendar, a timer button which adds a timer that the team can see but is not added to the board directly. Be careful not to confuse the project board with the board on a session. The project board is just a visual way to manage your projects, but is not a resource inside a session. They have different features. You can check our video how to use the board view and link your sessions. This is our beta version, so we will continue updating our features and our UX so the screen can look different from your current version. This is of course a very quick overview of the options and data that you can use on the board. We encourage you to play around with the board and its functions so you can start to take advantage and be free with the resources. Thank you for choosing Nova and welcome to the community.